Hello, so today, what do I sound like a teacher? No, we're gonna be talking about partial derivatives. Whatever. Okay. Partial derivatives, y, cal, 3. So what a partial derivative is, you got your normal derivative, so we'll just do, something like dy over dx. You got dz over dy, dx over d, I think that's how it is. No, not that one. D over dx. Okay. So, where we got dy over dx. Okay. So basically, we're taking the function dy and find the derivative for dx. So essentially, what a partial derivative is, and you're going to find the symbol to be something like that. So like I was saying, so the partial derivative is going to be represented as a sort of a slanted d, and you're going to want to put it to respect to a function. So we'll just do function y, and we're going to find a partial derivative of x. Normally, what this will mean is we have f of x, and it could be let's say z, for example. I should have made it dz over, you know what, we'll do that instead. So we use dz a lot in Cal 3, so we're going to do dz for the partial derivative dx. Now essentially what this is saying is we have a function z. The function z is going to equal, we'll just say x squared times y. So now we have, of course, one variable, which is going to be x, and then we have our second variable y. So in order to approach this, a partial derivative, we're going to look at the function dz. Okay, so we're going to write out the function dz x squared times y. Now we're going to be looking for the partial derivative of x. In order to find this, y is going to equal a constant. Yes, just a c or k, I don't know, whatever you want to make it. But basically, imagine it as z equals x squared plus 2. No, not plus 2. What am I doing? Times 2. And it just, for simplicity, when you get better at it, you don't have to do the numbers. But we're just going to run down over here. So, now find, what we're basically doing is dz dx for x squared y. So in order to do this, you could start by pulling out the y, because it's a constant. Now find dz over dx. Now that you pulled out the constant, all that's left is find a derivative of x squared. So you just do that. So you do dz dx x squared equals, and then just simple rule, bring the 2 in the front, x minus 1, so 2x. Now this is going to lead to 2x times y from earlier. Therefore, the partial derivative of dz dx equals 2xy. Now essentially this is going to be the same process if you are trying to, and I'm out of focus. And essentially this is going to be the same process. This is going to be the same process as if you're going to do, here we'll do it over here. Is if you're going to do dz over dy. For the function, of course, x squared, y, same thing, bring out the constant, x squared dz dy y. So find derivative of y. which is going to just equal to 1. So then you bring your x squared back. Therefore, partial derivative of y with respect to z, the function z, remember z is the function, is going to be equal to x squared. So these are your answers.